Hey guys, okay, so today's look is a blue-green halo eye with a pop of pink on the lower lash line. I know it sounds pretty crazy, but it actually ends up looking very pretty, especially with the yellow in the waterline. So anyways, I'm starting off by taking the shade Canvas on my Hakuhodo J5522 and I'm just going to put it in my transition area. After that, I'm going to pick up the shade Define Me on my Morphe M433 and I'm going to use that shade to actually define my crease. After that, I'm taking my Shikihodo Z10 and I'm taking the navy blue from the palette called Indigo. Taking it on the brush, I'm going to pop this on the outer and the inner corners, slightly dragging it in my crease and in the center of the eye as well, but mainly focusing the pigment on the outer and the inner corners. After that, I'm just taking a clean Hakuhodo G5529, just blending everything in my crease, making sure there are no harsh lines. After that, I'm taking the shade Fickle, which is this beautiful olive green on my Hakuhodo B004G, which is a flat shader brush. And I'm just going to put this in the center of my lid. After that, again, going back in with the Hakuhodo G5529, which is a long, thin, very fluffy blending brush. I'm going to take Indigo this time, and I'm just going to deepen up my crease a little bit more with that. After that, I'm taking the shade So Glam on my pinky, and I'm going to pop this right in the very center, very precisely in the center of my lid. Not really trying to spread it all over the center of my lid, just the very center, if that makes any sense. Anyways, then I'm going to go in with the Maybelline Master Drama Kohl Eye Pencil and apply it in my tight line. After that, I'm going to go and work on my lower lash line. So I'm taking the shade Slice on my Zoeva 226 brush. It's kind of like a smudger brush. And I'm just laying that color on the outer and the inner corners. After that, I'll take the shade Passion on that same exact brush, and this is a nice pink, and I'm going to pop this in the center of my lower lash line and basically kind of smudge it there. After that, I'm taking my Hakuhodo G5529 one more time, and I'm taking the shade Define Me this time to actually just blend everything out on my lower lash line. For my waterline, I'm taking the shade Yellow Submarine from the Ofra Fix line of products. It's their gel eyeliner. And I'm just going to take it on a silicone sponge tip. After that, I'm just going to curl my lashes and put on a couple of coats of my Lancome Monsieur Big Mascara on the upper as well as lower lashes. Then I'm just going to take the highlighter that has been in my hands for all this time, the Morphe highlight in the shade Get Lit on my pencil brush, and I'm just going to highlight the inner corners as well as my brow bone. And that is pretty much it. That is the look all done. I really liked how this turned out. It's edgy, it's colorful, and it's pretty good, right? So anyways, if you enjoyed this look, please do not forget to give this video a thumbs up. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!